Welcome to Hell Yeah Travel. On this channel, we take a look at some great destinations that make you say, hell yeah. If you enjoy what you see, be sure to like and subscribe for more content. Let's go. Today, we're visiting the unimaginably green Emerald Isle, Ireland. Think Ireland is just hills and sheep? Think again. This island is packed with wild coastlines, ancient legends, unforgettable road trips, and some of the friendliest locals on Earth. We're hitting iconic spots like the Cliffs of Moher, the Giant's Causeway, and the epic Wild Atlantic Way. So get ready. Whether you're here for castles, craic, coastlines, or Celtic magic, this is Ireland like you've never seen it before. Here are the top 10 things to do while visiting Ireland. Let's start with Dublin, Ireland's capital, where ancient history meets vibrant city life. We'll explore epic landmarks from the Trinity College Library to Viking castles, and pop into pubs to experience traditional Irish song and dance. Let's take a stroll around town and see what kind of magic we can get into. Let's take a trip out west to the edge of Ireland and perhaps even the edge of the world. These are the Cliffs of Moher, towering 700 feet over the Atlantic Ocean, carved by time, wind, and waves. This isn't just a view. This is a feeling. This is one of the most iconic sites in Ireland, and today we're taking you with us to the top. Let's explore these cliffs up close, down low, and from the skies above. Still craving that raw, natural energy? Welcome to Connemara, where Ireland shows you her wild side. This isn't your average tourist stop. It's windswept mountains, glassy lakes, bog roads, and wide open skies that make you feel like you've stepped into a painting. If you're chasing that authentic, off-the-beaten-path Ireland, this is it. Let's get lost together. After conquering the wild beauty of Connemara National Park, we're swapping hiking boots for city vibes. Welcome to Galway, where cobblestone streets, live music, and colorful culture are waiting around every corner. From the stunning Galway Cathedral to historic ruins and vibrant nightlife, this underrated gem has so much to offer. Let's dive in and see what we can find. Ready for a road trip? It's an epic one. We're grabbing a set of wheels and hitting the wild Atlantic Way. 2,500 kilometers of jaw-dropping coastline, rugged cliffs, hidden beaches, and some of the friendliest towns you'll ever stumble into. From windswept headlands to untamed nature. This isn't just a drive, it's an adventure. Time to hit the road and see where the wild west of Ireland takes us. Ready for more magnificent Irish history? Perched high on a limestone hill, the Rock of Cashel is a sight to behold. This place is pure medieval magic. Think ancient cathedrals, Celtic crosses, and epic views for days. Whether you're into legends, architecture, or just chasing that castle core vibe, the Rock of Cashel is an absolute must. Time to explore one of Ireland's most iconic landmarks. Let's go. The natural and historic beauty of Ireland continues to deliver. We're heading on another road trip, this time around the Ring of Kerry. This 111-mile loop around County Kerry offers it all. We're talking medieval castles, natural wonders, and charming villages nestled within southwest Ireland. So fuel up. Time for another adventure. Of course, no trip to Ireland is complete without kissing the Blarney Stone. We're heading to Blarney Castle, a medieval fortress built during the 15th century. Legend has it that kissing the stone gives you the gift of gab. Let's put that legend to the test while we explore this magnificent piece of Irish history. Did we mention giants? We're heading north to one of the most spectacular natural formations, 66 million years in the making. The Giant's Causeway. Legend has it that the Irish giant Finn McCool built the causeway to fight the Scottish giant Benidunner. Whether you believe the myth or not, this place is majestic either way. Let's check it out. After a magnificent time exploring the Emerald Isle, it's time we cap off the adventure in the lovely city of Belfast in Northern Ireland. Though technically part of the United Kingdom, Belfast has Irish charm in its own right. Come with me as we explore the historic Titanic Museum and the splendid Belfast Castle as we get lost in Irish beauty. This is a city you don't want to miss. And that's a wrap on our unforgettable adventure across Ireland. Ireland gets a hell yeah from me, and I hope this Irish charm has inspired you to go on an adventure of your own. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment on where you'd like to see next. Until next time, this is Hell Yeah Travel.